Good morning, all of you.
Good morning, sir.
Great. So back then on Saturday, we have scheduled the mock, right? See, for every hour, we scheduled 12 students. How many students? 12 students. Again, you are committing the same mistake. Out of 12 students, for every hour, only 5, only 6, only 7. Means out of 12 students, 6 did not attend the mock. You carry on the same theme, my dear students. I am no one to you. Say, previous Monday, this was the situation. This Monday, the same situation. So from now onwards, I'll not tell anything. I am going to concentrate on such students who are only committed. Other students, I don't care, because you are not caring for us. Why I should care for you? Because I told you that whatever I tell, you do it. That is more than sufficient, you'll get placed. And you don't want to do that. You do whatever you want and you will get the results. Previously, what results you got now? Same results only you will get. Anyhow, what's this? So previously, we are done with the concept known as what? Static. Awesome. So today, we are going to start with the next pillar of object orientation. What is that, if you ask me? What? Great. So long way back, I told you that 100% there is a home, and the name of this home, I call it as object orientation. Awesome. And this house is having 4 pillars. Is the first pillar, is the second pillar, is the third pillar, and you are thinking it right, is the 4th pillar. And already we are done with the first pillar. What is that, sir? If you ask me, it is encapsulation. If you ask me what is the advantage of encapsulation, number 1, it is code security. That is the first advantage of encapsulation. Number 2nd advantage is code maintenance. Using encapsulation, we can maintain the code. And after that, we went on with the next topic. Which topic was that? Static, a small topic inside the SOAP's concepts only. And after that, in today's class, we are going to understand a brand new pillar. Who is that? Inheritance. Means now the question arises, what is the meaning of inheritance? What is the use of him? How he is going to work in Java is what we have to understand in today's class. Okay, sir, how you will work, sir? Buckle up and watch it. So for that, I have to get my animation. Let me get it for you. Awesome. Watch it. So what I will do is, I'll bring some people now. Who is that, sir? Not people, maybe one person I will bring. What this person will do is, this person will purchase one land. Using this land, he will start to plow this land. Means he wants to convert this entire land into an agricultural land so that he can earn a lot of money. So what he will do? He will start making this land as agricultural land, and after doing that, he increases his land. When he increases his land, he'll earn money. When he earns money, you get tractor also like this. Means, now, this fellow is becoming slowly a richest man. Very good. After some time, he thought that, okay, now I have become rich. Now it's time to get married. Why, sir? Settle, no? If settle means marriage in India. So, what he's thinking is, hey, now I have settled, let me get married. Now you will get married. After married, what? Children. Very good. You also know, see. So, 100%, he will get one child. Who is that child, sir? Let me get him. He is that child. He is that child. So what this child will do is, this child will get all the property from his father. Means his entire land, the tractor, this cow, everything he will get. Now what he will do is, again he will increase this land. And after increasing, again he will earn the money. After earning the money, he will build one house like this. enough money I have made. Now for me, it's time to get married. He will get married again. Not again, first time only marriage. So after getting married, next what? Children, very good. He will get one child, and that child, I'm telling it that way. Why this child? Okay, anyhow, I think maybe it is a trend. Okay, great. So what he will do is, okay, this entire land, he will get it. Why? Because his father got it. Why he got it? Why he got it? Because his father has that land. All of that he inherited. And now, whatever his father is having, all of that he will inherit. Okay, sir. Next one. After that, 100% he will get this now. What is that? Car he will get. Well, see what I am trying to tell you is, in this real world, if you look, there is inheritance. Yes or no? See, after some time, see what do you think? Your property, not your property, your parents' property. To whom it will give? For neighbors. To whom it will go? For you only. Yes or no? Because here in India, there is an inheritance. Yes or no? In the same way, here also, there is an inheritance in this real world. Very good, sir. Next one. Let me proceed further now. And let us understand that how this inheritance will work in Java. Because now you understood how inheritance will work in real world. How it will work in Java, let us understand. How is that? Before that, there was one person. Very good. There was another person. One more awesome. There is another person here like this. Good. Next one, sir. So this fellow will get married. So that is why he's having a child. And this child will tell that, hey, who will take care of this land? I will go to Bangalore to work in IT company. And that is what is happening. Good. Now, what this fellow did is, he inherited all this from his father. And the inheritance you have to tell it using this arrow mark. Right. In the same way, this fellow will inherit the property from his father. He is the father, he will inherit. Now, this property, he will inherit. How is that, sir? From his father, and that is what I am showing to you. This is inheritance in real world. Okay, sir. Awesome. Next one, sir. Watch. Now, let us come to Java and try to understand in Java how this inheritance will work and what is the use of it. Are you guys ready for this? Well, just look at. Good. So, now, what I will do is, I'll bring some people now. What is that, sir? Who is that guy, sir? He is that guy. Sir, where he is going, sir? He is going to one company, and there is one company known as what? TAP Academy. Okay, sir, why is coming to TAP Academy? Think that TAP Academy is an IT company. Yes, we are an IT company because we not only teach technology, we create technology. Anyway, so TAP Academy, we are an IT company and 100%. This fellow will go to an IT company like this. When you go to IT company, that is TAP Academy, who will welcome him? Who will welcome him? Who will welcome? Say for example, you come to TAP Academy. Who will welcome you? See, there is a guy now. His name is Hemant. He will welcome you. Oh, very good. See, if you go to any companies, IT companies especially, CEO will not come. Say for example, if you go to Infosys, Narayan Murthy will not come. Oh, sir, you gave a red carpet, please come. That will not work. If you go to Wipro, Azim Premji will not come. Then who will come, sir? There is one guy in IT company known as what? Business analyst. He will welcome you. Okay, sir. Who am I, sir? See, you is known as what? Client. Why are known as client? Let me give you an example for you. See, forget about this. There is a company known as Infosys. There is another company known as SBI. That is a bank. Bank will go to Infosys. And bank will tell to Infosys that, hey Infosys, I want a software to my company, that is to my bank. Will you create that software to me? Who will ask? SBI will ask. To whom? Infosys. Now Infosys is a IT company and SBI is a client for Infosys. In the same way, here also there is one client. Is that client? And now the company is there. Which company? Tap Academy. Means this fellow want one software. Which software, sir? One gaming software he want. Okay, sir. How it should work, sir? And that is what this fellow is telling to the business analyst. Hey, business analyst, I need one gaming software, one application I need. And this is how my game should look like. He's giving all the requirements. If I have to tell you, SBI will come to Infosys and SBI will tell, hey Infosys, you look, in SBI there should be one facility known as check balance. There should be one facility known as get statement. There should be facility known as payments. All of these facilities should be there. Means SBI is giving what? Requirement to whom? Infosys. Like that only software I need. Requirements is given. In the same way, this fellow is the client. He is giving the requirements. Hey, look, this is how my application should look like. There should be one person, he should be wearing helmet. If I am jumping from here, he should go like this. That is the requirement he is given. Alright, sir, only one requirement, sir. Who told you? This is also one requirement. Sir, only this much, sir. Who told you? This is also another requirement. Sir, like this, how many requirements, sir? Go on noticing there. All these are the requirements. Good. Awesome. You should hold that also now. Good. So all of these requirements, he is telling to the business analyst. And business analyst will take all of these requirements and what he will do is, he will tell, hey, you don't worry, I will create this application within an year. Within what? An year. 1 year. So, but for that, you have to give money because no one will give something which is free. So, Instagram, everything free now. Come and meet me outside, I will tell you. Okay? What's this? So, what he will tell is, 1 year I will take to create this software. But for that, you have to give the money. Sir, how much money he wants, sir? He wants 1 crore rupees for this application. How much? 1 crore. Alright. So now he is telling that 1 crore, I will give you 5 crores, but this application should be ready. So now, business analyst will take all of his requirements and now client will go to his home. What business analyst will do now is what we should see. Awesome. Good. So now business analyst will go to another employee of the same company. Who is that employee, sir? That employee is known as what? Project manager. And now he is telling to the project manager, hey look, there is one client. He needs one application and this is the requirement of that application. So now the project manager will take all of those requirements and he will go to another guy. Who is that, sir? Software developer. And now this project manager will give all the requirements to the software developer now. So now the software developer will take all the requirements. Are you ready, sir? Watch it. See, she's telling all the requirements to him now. See, this is how the application should look like. This is how a plane should come. This is how they should hold the gun. All of these requirements she is telling to the software developer. Alright. So now this software developer will take all the requirements and after a year he will create an application. And that application they call it as what? PUBG, like this. Means PUBG application is ready in an year now. So after that what will happen, sir? Now this PUBG application, this business analyst should give it to a client. So before he's giving to the client, he's explaining, look, you have some requirements and this is how your software is looking like. Look, this is how my software looks like. So this is how your software is looking like. Are you satisfied or not? He is asking. So now client will tell that, yeah, 100% I'm satisfied with this application. This is fantastic. Oh, this is fantastic. Then paisa, please give me. So now he will give the paisa now. Really, sir? Watch it. This much paisa, that is 1 crore rupees, is transferred to the account of that TAP Academy, that is IT company. So now he is happy, he will take that application, and now people will start using his application. When people start using his application, he will start earning the money. When he starts earning the money, the other people are thinking that, oh, he's earning the money. How is earning the money? How? Because of that game, right? So I should also earn the money. Sir, what you are trying to tell, sir? See, in this world, if you look, for everything, there is a competition. Or here, sir, for Infosys, TCS is the competition. For Apple, Samsung is the competition. For Hyundai, Toyota is the competition. For Mercedes, BMW is the competition. For Lakme, Nykaa is the competition. Yes or no? In the same way, for PUBG, there is a going. So that is why people are thinking that, yes, I should also create one application now, wherein it should compete with PUBG. That is what one lady is thinking. Oh, lady, sir. Who is she, sir? Hey, lady, where are you? Oh, here we go. So she is there. She is coming. And now, what is her duty, sir? She is thinking that even I should also give competition to that PUBG now. So now what she is thinking is, who created PUBG? Which company created? TAP Academy. So now she will also reach to the same company, that is TAP Academy. Please welcome. So now TAP Academy she has reached, and now tell me, who will welcome her again? Business analyst, no matter what. It is a lady, guy, business analyst only will come. Okay, so what this client is telling to the business analyst is, hey, look, this is, I need the application, and you should create it. These are the requirements. Make sure to copy these requirements. All of these are the requirements of her. Good. Awesome, awesome. Okay. So all of these are her requirements, and business analyst is taking all of these requirements now. Now what business analyst will be thinking is at the back of his head, oh, this kind of application, we have already created it. And exactly the same, maybe some costume changes are there, some hair cutting changes are there, that's it. Rest all done, all of this graphics remains the same. And now what he is thinking is, hey look, I will create this application. And this application, I will create it within 6 months itself. Why? Because already PUBG is there, right? If we are taking another year, PUBG will acquire the entire market. How you will earn the money? So, I will give an offer to you. That offer is, we will create this application within 6 months. Within 6 months, if I have to create this application, then we need more engineers. We need more resources. If you need more engineers, more resources, we have to give money to them, right? So, my offer to you is, within 6 months we will create, but lot of paisa you should give. 6 months this application is ready, you just give me 3 crores only. Only 3 crores you give me. She is the girlfriend of Vijay Mallya. What she is thinking is, anyhow, my husband is there. And for my husband, so many banks are there. So don't worry, 3 crore, 10 crores I will give it to you. But this application should be ready now. Oh, okay, sir. 3 crores, 6 months. Will that application will be ready? Let me see. This client, she will go. You go, please. She's getting in this. Okay, anyhow, what's this? So now business analyst will go to project manager and he's telling the same thing here. Look, already this kind of an application we have created and we have a full now and a full herd. Wherein I told her that within 6 months I will create and 3 crores is what the demand I put. She has agreed. He is telling to the project manager. And project manager will be like, hey, very good, very good. She will take all the requirements from business analyst and now she will go to software developer now. Really, sir? What's this? Now, project manager is telling all the requirements to the software developer. And she is telling, hey, all of this code already we have. 90% of this application is same only. Don't create anything. Already there is a code for PUBG, right? 90% of the code you take it from PUBG. 10% you add something like hairstyle and costume you add and give an application like this. Now think and tell me, is TAP Academy is recruiting so many engineers to create this? See, whatever the existing engineers only, they don't have the work. Why, sir? Already code is ready, right? Because they have coded already in TAP. Oh, okay, sir. But IT company, that is your TAP Academy, told 6 months. What they will do in 6 months, sir? Because only 10% of the code they should put. What they will do for 6 months, I will tell you. What was that? So what he will do is, he will take all the requirements and he will give a name to this game. And this is the name of the game. After giving name, sir, will they code, sir? They will not code because already code is ready, right? They will not code. Then what they will do, sir? They will enjoy. Oh, really, sir? How much? So, they will book for a vacation now. Book. The developers are going in a plane. And where they will go, sir? Beach. Beach means, sir, Goa. Goa they will go. And Goa, they will do a lot of party like this. Who are doing the party? Software developers are doing the party because anyhow they don't have the work. After doing all this party, they will come in the 6th month. In the last month, they will come and they will create one application. This one, they will add some 10% of the code, 90% of the code. Where you get it? From PUBG. Only 10% he will add and he will give it to the business analyst now. Good. And now business analyst is telling all the say, look, this is how your application is looking like. He's explaining to that client now. This is how the application is looking like. Very good. So, he's telling, look at the hard work we are putting in. See, this much hard work we did. 6 months, engineers did not have food. did not done, had a great sleep. Only your application, only your coding. See, look at my eyes also. Now also I'm sleeping eyes. Yes. So now she is pretty much impressed with this application and she will tell this is outstanding. Then he is like, oh, this is outstanding, paisa. So she is like, oh, paisa, take paisa. How much paisa she will give, sir? She will give 3 crore rupees. And now she will transfer that money to the IT company and now he is thinking in his mind that, oh, I fooled her. However, now I want to ask this question to you. How much this IT company earned? Forget about the first application. Now, 3 crores. Think and tell me, 3 crores. Why he is taking from her? Because he told that we have to recruit more engineers. We need more resources. Did this company got all those resources, engineers? Absolutely not. In fact, they have just spent maybe 10 lakh or 15 lakh, that's it. But how much they have earned? 3 crore rupees. And that is the beauty of inheritance. Sir, what they did, sir? This, application, all that entire code, they got it from where? PUBG, some 10% they have added, and that is the beauty of this inheritance. Oh, really, sir? Go on looking at this, you will get to know. There is one application known as PUBG. Awesome. There is another application. You guys played this game? Huh? No. Okay. So this application is also there. And this application is created, actually speaking, 90% of the code, he got it from where? PUBG. Some 10% he is adding. That's it. Means 90% of the code is getting inherited from the PUBG, only 10% is adding. In the same way, you have another application. Which application is that, sir? Call of Duty. This Call of Duty, 90% of the code is inherited from this game and 10% is just added. And this is how IT companies will earn so much of money. What do you think? These IT companies will give you so much of money as a salary. Why? Because they are earning a lot of money. How they are earning? Because of one concept known as what? Inheritance. Sir, how is that, sir? Watch it. Another example I will give. Say for example, Infosys company is there. Now SBI will go and SBI will tell, hey, I need this application. Infosys will tell to SBI that, hey, I will create this application, 1 crore rupees. And after some time, they will create this application from scratch for the very first time. After a year, an application is ready. This application is given to SBI. He is happy, he is gone now. After some time, Kotak Mahindra Bank will come and approach Infosys. Hey, how you have created a software for SBI? No, in the same way, please create it for me also. Now think and tell me, will Infosys create this application from scratch? No, already they have a code which they have created for SBI, right? 90% of the code they will get it from SBI and only 10% they will add. But do you know how much they will charge? They will just make a fool of them. How, sir? They will tell, hey, SBI software we have created in 1 year. But for you, I will create it within only 2 months, but you have to give me 10 crore rupees. Only 1 month we will create and give it 10 crore rupees because we need more engineers, we need more resources. And Kotak Bank will be like 10 crores only, no? So many people account is there in our bank. Don't worry, we will give. So 10 crores. But think and tell me, how much money they have earned here second time? 10 crores. But did Infosys spend all of the 10 crores to build this software? No, even 10 lakh also they did not spend. Sensing this much. And that is the beauty of inheritance. If you want to make a lot of profit, you should go for inheritance. Sensing this much. Very good. Sir, how the people will get fooled? No, sir. Feeling very bad, sir. You forget about them, you will also get food. And I will tell you where you are getting food. Oh, really, sir? What's this? Okay. What is the use of inheritance? Let me tell it. So first, let us define what is inheritance. What is inheritance, sir? Inheritance is the process of one class acquiring the properties and behavior of another class. What is that? I will tell you, forget about this. Let us understand the advantages of inheritance. Number one, code reusability. For PUBG, code is there. The other game, what it did? All that code is reusing it. Means using inheritance, we can reuse the code. Not only that, the second advantage is it reduces the development time and effort. So when developers were creating that second game, did they put a lot of effort? Absolutely not. Just in 1 month, they created one application. Time and effort has decreased. Not only that, third advantage, the biggest advantage, what is that? Increases the profit. And that is what IT companies will always look for. Profit, profit and profit. Why? Because IT companies or IT industry is a greedy industry, you know that? They always need the money. What do you think? Why they will give 25,000 rupees salary to you? Why? Because they know that in the next coming days, every month, they want 25 lakh revenue from you guys, each one of you. If you give 25 lakh revenue for the company, then only 25,000 will be credited to your bank account. And that is how IT industry is. And that is why IT industry is the second richest industry of this world. Is the first? Oil industry. Anyhow, so 100% all of these are the advantages. Now let me remove it. Awesome. Watch it. See, long way back, there is one operating system. Which operating system? Windows. And this Windows, they gave one name as what? 7. So to get this Windows 7, you paid some amount to it. To whom, sir? Microsoft. You know, sir, see, when you're purchasing the laptop, you know, the money will be included with the software also. Say, for example, 40,000 if you are paying means 10,000 for a software you have to pay. It's only for 30,000 for hardware you are paying, 10,000 for software you are paying. Don't think that nothing is free. That is the case. Why Bill Gates will be one of the richest if everything is free. Anyhow, after some time, what he did is, he created one brand new operating system. Which operating system, sir? Watch it. This is the operating system and they gave one name to it. What is the name, sir? Windows 8. Now think and tell me, will this Bill Gates will code this Windows 8 operating system from scratch? What do you think? Absolutely not. What Bill Gates will do is Bill Gates. What Bill Gates will do is, Bill Gates will acquire 90% of the stuff from Windows 7 and only 10% he will add. 10% he will add. And now think and tell me, if you want to get updated to Windows 8, not pirated version, if you want to get it, more money you have to give. How much money, sir? For Windows 7, if it is 10,000 means for Windows 8, 5,000 extra you have to pay. How much? 15,000 you have to pay if you are using the real version. Think and tell me, how much money has spent to create this Windows 8? More money? Very less money. But how much is earned? More money. Why? Because of the concept known as what? Inheritance. Everything from Windows 7, only 10%. Sir, how, sir? I will tell you. In Windows 7, if you look at that start, in Windows 7, how it is? You haven't used Windows 7? You have used. How that start? Round. Yes or no? In Windows 8, how it is? Square. In Windows 7, if you go left side, nothing you will get it. But in Windows 8, if you are taking the cursor and if you are telling it like this, something will come. Yes or no? If you take your cursor and come to the right side of your computer, something will get it. Other than that, what is the difference? What is the difference? Is file system is changing? No. The way it looked got changed, but everything is same only. Sensing this, great. Means now, Bill Gates, your thinking is the richest person who's a lot of hard work he did. Hard work, 100% he did, but more than hard work, what he did? Smart work. Means he fooled all the people of this world. Anyhow, so in that, people, you and me are also there. Anyhow, what's this? Let me give another example now. What is that, sir? iPhone. iPhone 14. And recently in the month of September, Apple released iPhone 15 also. Tell me what is the difference between 14 and 15? Huh? So what do you think? Tim Cook will create this iPhone 15 from scratch? From beginning he will create? You're thinking like that? No! Instead what Tim Cook will do is, he will take everything from iPhone 14. In fact, Apple is so intelligent. That is why it is a $1 trillion company. Actually speaking, 99% of the stuff it will take it from iPhone 14 only. Only 1% it will add. Only 1% it will add. What it will add? It will tell, hey look, in iPhone 15, this bionic chip is there. In iPhone 14, this much bionic chip is there. And you will be like, oh, very fast, very fast. And if you look at the Apple marketing strategy, they will take this product. If you look at this advertisement, they will take this product, they will break it, they will show, oh, look here, again they will break it. You will feel, oh, what an amazing mobile is this. Marketing strategy. Right. So now, what is the difference between 14 and 15? They told that, hey look, in iPhone 15, there is something known as a dynamic island. Oh, island is there, sir. What you had in iPhone 14 then? In 14 Pro or 14 Pro Max, if you take, there also dynamic island you have. However, then, if you look at the application, how they work same. And they tell that, hey, look at the camera, how beautiful it is taking. Some resolution they have added. In fact, 99% of the stuff it got from iPhone 14, 1% they are added. Now tell me, what is the, excuse me, how much money you have to give for iPhone 15, iPhone 14, and how much money you should give for iPhone 15? Now if you open Flipkart or Amazon, for iPhone 14, how much is the price? Huh? iPhone 14, not Pro, Pro Max, just iPhone 14. 65, 70 you take it, 250, 60. So now it is 70,000. You know what is the costing of iPhone 15? It is 85 to 90,000 rupees. Means 20,000 rupees extra you are giving. For what? For 1% of the feature, that's it. And you are thinking that, oh, and that too, now in India, this has become fashion. My only goal in my life, my dream is to get an iPhone. That is how it is. And that too, see, if I am not having money, I will sell my kidneys and will get my iPhone. This is how it is. But anyhow, 100% Apple company is making fool of us. Anyhow, what's this? See, Apple, has released one watch. Watch what it is. Which watch is this, sir? So they called, this is Apple Watch 8 previously. This year, they released another watch. And they told this watch watch as watch 9. Do you know what is the difference? Do you know what is the difference? 99, forget about 99, 99.9%, everything is same. Everything is same, the way it looks and everything. But only one feature they added. What is that feature? So what it will do is, it can calculate the distance between the two legs. Means when you are running, it will calculate the distance between two legs. What the hell? What will do? And how beautifully they will show you, ECG, oxygen, all of that it will show. Okay, that one watch 6 also will show. But for watch 9, only one feature they added, distance between two legs. For that, how much you have to pay, 10,000 extra. Only that much you have to pay. That is the beauty of Apple, and that is why it is $1 trillion company. Anyhow, not only Apple, you take Toyota company, Toyota, what you want to spell, you can spell it. See, long way back, they created one car they created. Which car, sir? Innova. Maybe, I don't know, maybe 6 years or 5 years, 6 years before, they created another car. Which car, sir? Innova Krista. Okay. Now tell me, what is the pricing for Innova? Normal Innova. First Innova, what is the pricing? 15 lakhs. High end. And is 15 lakhs? Good. What about Innova Krista? How much? 33. 33. Very good. 33. Now tell me, what is the difference between Innova and Innova Krista? I'll tell you. 99% it got it from Innova only. Only 1% they added. What is 1%, sir? I'll tell you. If you look at Innova, headlights are like this. If you look at Innova Krista, the headlights are like this. Yes or no? Other than that, engine is same. This is also 7-seater, this is also 7-seater. But the way it looked might change, but everything remains the same. But now tell me, how much money they are earning? How much money they are earning? You look, where is 15 lakhs and where is 33 lakhs? And that is the beauty. And that is the beauty of inheritance. Got this, all of you? And that is why, if you go for interviews also, there will be fixed question on inheritance. Why, sir? Because you have to earn profit for them, right? If inheritance only, if you don't know, how you will make profit for the company. That is why there will be inheritance questions for sure. Got this, all of you? Any doubt in this? No, right. Great. Okay, sir. I understood everything then. I am getting fooled. I am getting food means I will not take anything now. Windows 10 means Windows 10 forever. Don't do like that. See, that is how it is. Okay, that is how the life is. These companies will come, and if you want to use their products, what they will tell you have to pay that much money for them. Is absolutely, there is no way. Okay, anyhow, so let me proceed further now and try to understand this inheritance in Java programmatically now. But before I do that, I just put one foundation for you. What is that foundation? Inheritance is very, very important for you, because that is how companies will earn a lot of money. And that point, I just wanted to tell it to you. And number 2, what is the use of inheritance? Code reusability. How they will reuse the code. Number 3, how the time and effort will drastically decrease. I wanted to give an example, and that is what I did. So now we will go deeper and try to understand this inheritance in the Java now. How is the answer, if you ask me? Watch it. See, I will create one class. The name of the class, I will tell it as parent. Very good. This is the opening, this is the closure. I will create another class. The name of the class is what? Child. Like this. Good. See now, that is my program. But that program, I want to represent diagrammatically. What is diagrammatically, sir? Watch it. See, when you go to IT industry, whenever you give the requirements, there will be one guy, and his name is technical architect. Who is he? Technical architect. And this technical architect, he will create a design of how to build a software. Say for example, you want to build a house. If you want to build a house, to whom you will reach? Civil architect. And what civil architect will do? He will create one design like this. And he will tell, okay, this is my hall, this is my kitchen, this is my bedroom. All of this in a sheet of paper, he will draw a design. Yes or no? In the same way, in Java also, a technical architect will create a design of that software in a sheet of paper. If you have to draw, he should be drawing some boxes like this. And these boxes, he will draw just to represent a software diagrammatically. And these diagrams, they call it as UML diagram. What diagram? UML, the full form of UML is, it is Unified Modeling Language. This is the full form. And what is the meaning of this? Representing any software diagrammatically, that is your UML diagram. Oh, very good, sir. Watch it now. So now, I will come here. And now I want to represent that class in the form of a diagram now. How I should do it, sir? Very simple. What you should do is, you should draw one rectangular box like this. When you are drawing a rectangular box like this, he is a class. Very good. What is the name of the class? Parent. The same parent you should give to him. Then whenever you look him, you should tell him, oh, he is a class with the name parent. Very good. In the same way, you have child class also. Good. This is child. Fantastic. He is a class. Class means rectangular form. What is the name? Child. Child. Good. Think and tell me. Child, he will get from whom? From parent. Yes or no? Very good. How to tell it? Sir, diagrammatically, you have to tell it with a very thick line like this and an arrow mark going up like this. So this means what? Inheritance. Means child is inheriting from parent. Means this arrow mark, you can tell it as inherits, and you can also call it as extends. What it is? Extends. So now you ask me, sir, which one is better among these two, sir? Among these two, this inheritance you should not tell. What should I tell? Extends only. What is the meaning? Child is extending from parent. What is the meaning? Child is inheriting from the parent. Got this? So this is the diagram. The same way I want to put it in my program also now. How is that, sir? This is parent, parent I have created. That is child, child I have created. But that arrow mark also I should create in my program. How will create, sir? What child is doing? What child is doing? He is extending the parent. The same thing you should tell him. Oh really, sir? What? This is class child and he is extending. How will extend, sir? He will tell extends. Extends what? Parent. Getting this one. Okay. Using extends, you can get all of the code from parent to child. Sensing this one. Right. So now, let me proceed further and code some program and show it to you how exactly it works programming. How is that, sir? Watch it. So to start with, I always draw UML diagram now. And then only that UML diagram I will convert into a code. that child is inheriting from the parent. Inside the parent, there will be certain things. What is that? Parent will be having a color. Am I correct? So that I will tell you. Color equal to. What colors are? Maybe I will take it as Indian color, brown color. Correct. Parent will be having something known as eye color also. Am I correct? So what eye color? What eye color? Black. Very good, very good. It is brown again. It is brown, not black. But when you see black. You take one torch, put it like this, and see in the mirror. You will get brown. That is the eye color of Indians. If you go to European countries or Western countries, the eye color will be what? Blue, like that. Anyhow. So, after that, maybe I will tell it as teeth structure. Oh, not teeth structure. I will give another structure now. Which structure, sir? Parent will be having nose structure. And this is very important in India. Very, very important. I'll tell you how. I'll tell you how. Usually, you know, these things, I'm from Dharwad. So, when I go to Dharwad, you know, I'll be listening to all of this. I'll observe this stuff a lot. What happens is, once my brother, not my blood brother, another brother, Doddapana maga. So once we went to see Kanya for him. Okay, we went. How it will be? One chair. Everyone can understand Kannada. Anyone who don't understand Kannada, raise your hands. Oh. Can you translate? Oh. So there is a chair. Udiki or bartare. I'll put that. So, Udgano banda, Udgano kunta. Full scan madida. Udigi, Kaptatungil. He did the detector. Ingatungila, Etidran, oh, she's very bad. Here, murder Indian culture. So, Yalla nodidiri, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಮನಿತನನ್ನು ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಓ ಓಕೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಚಲೋ ಐತಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಸ್ತ್ ಐತಿ awesome. ವಾಪಸ್ ಮನೆಗೆ ಬಂದ್ವಿ ಡಿಸ್ಕಷನ್ ಮಾಡಾಕ ಓ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಮ್ಮ ದೊಡ್ಡಮ್ಮ ನಾವೇನಂದ್ರೆ ದೊಡ್ಡವ್ವ ಅಂತೀವಿ ದೊಡ್ಡವ್ವ ಸೊ ನಮ್ಮ ದೊಡ್ಡವ್ವ ಏನಂದ್ರೆ ಚಲೋ ಐತಿ ಮನಿ awesome, ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ awesome, ಹುಡುಗಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕಳ ಅದಾಳ ಚಂದ ಅದಾಳ ಬಾಳ ಬಟ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡೋದ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ or else they will tell this nose you know ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಮಂಡಿ see how the Indian culture is. We are in an AI era, artificial intelligence era, and now also all of these things will work. What to do? Okay, anyhow. So, look, see, he will explain it to you. If you are not understanding, come and meet him. Nose structure in India is very important. So, nose structure, I will give it as what? Sharp one. I will tell it as straight. It should not be, see, don't tell them manda. Or anything you can tell me. It is straight. So parent will be having certain height. Certain height he will be having. How much height? So, especially in India, if you take, the height will be on an average, for boys it is 5'8", and for girls it is 5'3", 5'4", in that it will come, that is an average. But if you go to European countries, for men, the average is 6'2", 6'3", average. And one of my friend is there. He is also a teacher from Switzerland. His height is 6.6. Once he carried me like this, Okay. Anyhow, so what I will do is, I will tell it as 5.8 as the average. Very good. Now, parent is having certain color, parent is having certain eye color, parent will be having certain nose structure, and parent will be having certain height. Means now, all of these things, who will get it? Child will get it. Now tell me, what parent is having the color? What child will get it? Brown only. Full brown. If brown is not there, some problem will be anyhow. So, eye color is brown. And what child will get? Green, blue. Brown only you should get. Brown only. Good. Nose structure almost there. And height also approximately there itself. Parent is 5.15 and child is 6.1, 6.2, 100% there is a problem. But anyhow, so 100% this is my UML diagram, and this UML diagram I have to put it in my Eclipse now and try to code how it will work. Are you guys ready? Watch. So for that, I have to get my Eclipse. Where is your Eclipse, sir? My Eclipse is here. Awesome. So all of these I will eliminate it. So this also I will eliminate. Now I should code. What I should code, sir, if you ask me, you should look at the UML diagram and code. Which diagram it is? UML diagram. So now tell me, how many classes are there in this? 2 classes. Which one you should code? See, you should always come from higher hierarchy to lower hierarchy. Higher hierarchy, who is there? Parent is there. And after parent, you should code whom? Well, this is what I will do now. First I should code parent, and parent is a class. Let me code it in my Eclipse now. How is that, sir, if you ask me? Watch it. I'll come here, and I will tell it as class. What is the name of the class, sir? What is the name of the class? Parent. So first what I should tell? Color. What color? Skin color. See, some students will think, see, that is what I am telling you. All of my analogies, you should take it for understanding only. If you are taking it to the heart and thinking too much, I am not responsible. Color, brown, why only brown? Discrimination, huh? Don't think that way. Just understand the concept there. Very good. What's this? So I will tell it as skin color. So skin color is brown. So brown is a string, and I am giving a string like this. And what type it is, you should tell. What type it is? String like this. Good. Brown is a collection of characters, right? Very good. I'll come here, and what should I give? Eye color. How you will use it? This is how I will give eye color. Equal to, what is this eye color? Brown, like this. Good. And now, brown is a string, and that is what you should tell. String. Good. Next, what you should tell? Nose structure. Good. I'll come here, and I will tell it as nose structure, like this. Good. Nose structure, what do you want to give? Straight and all I will not give. I will give as normal, like this. Awesome. Great. And now what it is, sir, if you ask me, it is a string, I am giving a string. Good. After that, what you should tell? Height. Good. I'll come here, and I will tell it as float. Float what, sir? Height equal to 5.8, I will tell that is 5.8, yeah, like this. So this is what a parent is having now. Okay, sir. Next what? Next what, if you ask me, watch it. This is the class. The name of the class is what? Child. Very good. Child. And what child is doing? He is inheriting the parent. But you should have inherited there. Then what you should should tell? Extends. Very simple. I'll come here and I will tell child. Child what, sir? Extends. Extend what, sir? Parent. Means all these things will come and sit here. Maybe for you it is invisible, but all of that code is present here. It is there. What is there, sir? What is having? Skin color. Skin color is having. Eye color. Eye color is having. Nose structure is having. Height is having. Means taking the properties or acquiring the properties from one class to another class is nothing but inheritance. Because properties means what? Has part, right? Sensing this one. Now you will ask me, okay sir, what is the proof that child is having all of these things? What is the proof? You need proof. I will give it to you. Watch. I'll come here. And I want to access the child now. How you will access her if you ask me? How should I access the child? How? See, child is a class, not an object. Child is imaginary. If you want to use it, you should create an object. Watch it. I will create an object by telling new child. I'll open bracket, close bracket, semicolon, and for him, I will use a reference C and what type it is you should have. Child. Very good. What's this? Inside that child, what do you see from your naked eye? Nothing. But so much stuff is there. Oh, really, sir? A child is having skin color, and that skin color he will print it. How is that, sir? System.out.println. Like this. See, are you getting any error there? No. It's skin color from parent who is getting, child is getting, and that is why it is working. Sensing this one. Very good. In the same way, child is getting this also now. What is that, sir, if you ask me? Child is getting eye color also. Not only that, child is getting. What is getting, sir? He is getting this also. What is that? Nose structure. Very good. Nose structure is getting. Not only that, child is getting the same height what a parent is having. That also you can see with the help of my code. You can notice. Means now all of these properties, that is skin color, eye color, nose structure, height, all these properties, one class is acquiring from another class. This is good. Got this, all of you? Very good. Now, if in case I save it and execute it, you can notice there, ground, normal 5.8 of what you are accessing? Child. But child is getting everything from parent. Sensing this great. Now, tell me, have you told here skin color, eye color? No. Means now you are not coding it from the scratch. Instead, what you did? What you did? You got it from the parent. Code reusability. Only one time you have coded, but you are accessing it here. Code reusability. Sensing this one. Very good. Now you want this. I will close this console now. Good. Now, instead of eye color as brown, I will give it as blue like this. What child will get? Blue. Blue only. You can notice there, I save it and execute it, blue. Means what changes you make in the parent, the same will get changed to child. We are reusing the code. Sensing this very good. Now, let me proceed further and try to code something now. What do you want to code, sir? So before I code, I want to draw the UML diagram. Oh, really, sir? Watch it. So what I will do, I will tell here this guy. Who is he, sir? Parent. Awesome. There is another guy also. Who is he, sir? He is a child. Good. And child is inheriting from the parent. Now, parent will do something now. What he will do, sir? See, if you go long way back, this is not, the scenario of the current situation. If you go around 50 years, 80 years, 100 years before, this was the situation. How was the situation, sir? Watch it. I will give one method. What is the name of the method, sir? The name of the method is no smoke. What is that? No smoke. What is no smoke, sir? No smoking. Means parent will not smoke. Very good. In the same way, parent will not drink also. Alcohol I am speaking about. No drink. Means parent will not smoke, parent will not drink also. So how the parent is, the same behavior your child will also get. What the parent is? Will he smoke? No. Child will also not smoke. Look at the parent. Is he drinking? Alcohol. Alcohol. Is he drinking? No. Will child drink? No. Means whatever the behavior parent is carrying, the same behavior child will also carry. But this story, when 20, 30, 40, 50, 100 years before. But this scenario has completely changed now. I don't want to speak about it, but anyhow, what's this? What child will do now? Child will also will not smoke. What about drink? Child will not drink because that is the behavior parent is carrying, the same behavior even child will also carry. Sir, why it has changed, sir? It is so because of beautiful best friends with you. Okay, anyhow, what's this? See, if you go to olden days, olden days if you go, it is just your land, your family, and you will be in the village itself. Yes. So whatever happens, it will be in the village itself. And what is your work? Every day you go to the land. You work, you come, you eat, you sleep. Next day again you should go. But now you're doing that way? No. There's a lot of distractions out there. Social media is there. Yes or no? Great. Even when you go to IT, even if you don't drink, even if you don't smoke, they will tell you, managers will tell you, hey, son, means are you a small bacha or what? You are not drinking. And that is what the society will put a stress on you. That is what it is. And even in your engineering also, final year. Okay, anyhow. So I don't want to speak about it. No comments at all. It is your life. Personal life, I don't want to comment. Okay, come here. Watch it. So parent will not smoke, he will not drink. And let me see, even the child is doing the same or not. So for that, I have to get my eclipse. This is my eclipse. And now, inside this eclipse, properties I will not do. First, let me eliminate all of the code now. Only main method is there. That's it. Look at my UML diagram. Which one you should code first? Okay. Very good. So now I will come here. At the starting, you have to create the parent there. Parent. Good. So parent is having certain behavior. What is that? No smoking. Good. So he will tell that, parent will tell that, hey, I will not smoke. I will not smoke. Well, in the same way, parent will tell that, hey, look, I will not drink also. I will not drink. Well, how you will tell it, sir? Like this. System.out println within double quotes. I will not drink. Drink what, sir? I will tell it as yanni, like this. Okay. So, yanni you don't want to tell. I will not drink. That is it. Awesome. Watch it. I'll come here to another class now. Which class, sir? Which one you have coded down? Pen. Which one you should code? Child. So you can see there, third bench. That much interesting this subject is. No? Okay. So I will come here and I will create one class. What is the name of the class? Child. So what child is doing? Extending what? Parent. Like this. Means now what child will get? Child will get whatever a parent is having. What parent is having? No smoking, no drink. Both of these will come and sit inside this. Means even the child's behavior is also no smoking, no drinking. Sensing this much. But if you see here, there is no code. It is invisible for you, but a lot of things are there. Oh really sir? Watch it. I want to access the content of the child. If you have to access the content of the child, I will come to the main method. I will create the object of one object. I mean of a class. What is that? Child. And for him, I will give the reference as C and what type it is? Child type. Very good. Now, child object is there. I can access the content of the child. Maybe through your naked eyes, nothing is there. A lot of stuff is there. Oh really sir? Watch it. C dot. There is one method known as what? No smoking. See? There is another method there. C dot. Dot what sir? Dot what? No drink. Very good. No drink also is it. Very good. If in case I save it and execute it, parent is having that behavior. Even child is also having the same behavior in this way. Sensing this much. Very good. Now what is this? Watch it my dear students. What is this if you ask me? It is acquiring the behavior from one class to another class. Again, inheritance. And behavior in Java, how will you code them? Long way back, I have told you this in object orientation, third rule. Every object, two parts. Has part, does part. Has part is known as what? State and properties. And does part is known as what? Behavior. And has part you will code using data type. Does part, that is behavior, you will code using what? Yes. Means acquiring the behavior. Means these are methods from one class to another class. Is again inheritance. Now both the definitions you combine. What is that sir? Acquiring the properties as well as behavior from one class to another class is nothing but your inheritance. Getting this much. And what is the advantage of this? Number one, code reusability. See, you haven't coded anything here, but then also you are using it. Why? Because this code is coming and sitting here. You are reusing this code. Number two, time and effort, it is decreasing. Why? See, here itself. Am I putting my time to code this? No, already it is there. I am getting it from there. There is absolutely no time and effort from your end. It is very less effort from your end. What is third one? Because of this, profit is going to increase. And that are the advantages of inheritance. Got this all of you. So this is a foundation. With this, let me proceed further. Now, before I proceed further, how you define inheritance? Acquiring properties, behavior, one plus two, see, this definition lot of times in interviews they will ask you. And they will ask you explain with the help of an example also. And now you are nodding your head. Oh, okay sir, we will prepare sir. When it comes to mock, some people are not opening your mouth at all. Even after telling the same thing 10 times in the class. What do you think? Why I am repeating this stuff again and again? I don't have any other word. Why I repeat? So that here itself 10 times there should be a revision in your head. That is my only motive. In one time, if I tell you, maybe some people will not revise. There itself it is gone. Even though repeating so many times, when it comes to interviews, that is mock interviews, you are unable to tell the answer properly. Look at your preparation here. Okay, anyway. So let me go for the next topic now in inheritance. Which topic is that, sir, if you ask me? It is types of inheritance. What is that? Types of inheritance. So, what are these types, sir, if you ask me? type also, and it is known as multi-level inheritance. But the third one, we call it as hierarchical inheritance. Well, there is another guy known as hybrid inheritance. But in the same way, you have multiple inheritance. It's not multi-level, it's multiple followed by cyclic inheritance. All of these inheritances are there in all object-oriented programming languages. It's not only in Java. All object-oriented programming languages have these types of inheritance. And these types are there in C++ also, in Python also, in C# also. Why? Because all of them are object-oriented. And let me tell you, whatever the topics I'm speaking about, encapsulation, inheritance, all of them are there in Python also. All of them are there in C++ also. In fact, all of these are there in object-oriented programming languages. God, this means if you're learning these OOPs in Java, you are learning OOPs in all programming languages. Means when you go to industry, if company tells you, hey, you don't work on Java, instead you work on C++. Learning in C++ is not at all a big deal. In one way you can learn. Why? You know the concepts already. Sensing this much. Well, sir, what are these, sir? If you ask me, if you want to know, please come and attend my class tomorrow. Till then,